Hello and welcome to the Walabot DIY 2M setup tutorial. Today I'll guide you through the process of pairing your device with your smartphone. First, navigate to your phone's App Store, search for the Walabot DIY app, and proceed with installation. Once installed, launch the app. Carefully review the terms of service and then tap Agree to proceed. Confirm you have a Walabot device by selecting Yes. Now pick your preferred method for signing in. Let's prepare your Walabot for its first use. Now it's time to get your Walabot ready for action. Select Walabot DIY 2M from the options. Initiate the setup by selecting Continue. Press and hold the power button on your Walabot for 2 seconds before releasing it. A blue light will appear, signaling that your device is on. Hit Continue to move forward. Select Scan and then OK to grant permission for your phone's camera to read the QR code. If a QR code isn't available, or you prefer to not use the camera, manually entering your Walabot ID is an option. Choose Enter your Walabot ID and input your unique code. The connection between your Walabot and smartphone is established via Wi-Fi. Note that this might temporarily disrupt other Wi-Fi dependent applications. You can return to your other apps once you are done with the Walabot. With your phone now linked to the Walabot, the next step is calibration, and then you're all set to begin scanning. Check out our other videos on how to find studs.